Welcome!
And we got ideas.
For today's drawing, you'll only need a few supplies. Grab your paper, your markers or crayons, and your creativities. We will start now by drawing an oval.
What?
Remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. Now we're going to make a straight line and then curve the line. For the ears, we'll be making curved lines that resemble the letter C. For the eyes, make 2 ovals. Make another curved line for the nose. Then we have to make the smile. Now we have to draw circles within the oval. I almost forgot his hair. Just a few zigzag lines will do. We just created Buddy the Bear. Good job, everyone. It's color time.
There, white.
Subscribe.